Hello children, welcome to AIMS India. This video is regarding the instructions and guidelines about how to install, how to watch our online classes, how to read study material, how to do daily worksheets, and how to attempt online examinations in our AIMS India mobile app. So let us see all the instructions which may help you in installing and using our AIMS India mobile app. To download AIMS India mobile app, you have to go to Play Store. There we have to type AIMS India. So then you can find an app with our logo. Install that app. So after installing, it asks to open. Click on open. After installation, it shows there open. Click on it. Then it asks to select the mobile number with which you want to use the app. So select a mobile number in your phone. So after selecting your mobile number, it sends an OTP to that number. So after receiving OTP, enter the OTP in the asked column. And after entering OTP, click on verify OTP. Then it asks to enter your name and mail ID. Enter those two. Name and mail ID you have to enter. Then click on let's get started. If you click on let's get started, you will be entered into AIMS India mobile app. As you are using this for the first time, you are not added into any batch. To enter into a batch, you have to keep a request through chat option which is beside batches at the bottom. Click on chat option. I think you have already received a message, welcome message from AIMS. Click on that. There you give your request message with all details like your name, school, area, phone number and mail ID. With these details, you can keep a request message to enter into concerned class batch. So here I am entering my class batch. So I am giving a request message for entering into concerned class batch with all details. After entering all the details like name, school name, area, mobile number and email ID, we can send the message to AIMS India. Okay, after sending this message, after some time you will get a reply from AIMS India as you are going to be added into concerned batch. So I have entered all the details. I am sending the message. After some time we will receive reply message from AIMS. So as we are going to add into concerned batch, yes, I have received. So then let us come back to the first column, that is batches column. So come back from charts option to batch option at the bottom. So once you refresh that column, scroll down the screen. So there you can see the batch in which you are added. So I have added into 5th grade. So if you click on that, this is overview. At the top it is their overview. Beside that there is videos. Click on that. Here 5th class all videos are added. Maths and sciences. So here maths chapter wise videos are there, folders. If you click on any chapter, subtopic wise videos are here. Okay. You can watch these videos whenever you are comfortable. If you click on that video, you can watch video, any video.
Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In this week we will be studying maths and in
okay. In the same way, science also, you can see chapter wise folders are there. In each chapter again, subtopic wise videos are there. By click on the subtopic wise video, you can watch those. So when you see animals, there are subtopic wise videos are there. You can watch them by clicking on those.
Branch of science
Okay, it won't be visible here. Then if we come back After videos, after coming back, if you observe beside videos at the top, there is a study material column. There, for each chapter, study material you can find. If you click on each subject and chapter, those you can read from there in the mobile itself. It won't be opened here. It will be opened in the mobile. You can see and you can read there that PDF file. So each subject study materials you can find here. Then after study material there is, yes, here even reasoning also it is there, right? Then after test there is after study material there is test column. So here you can find the test conducted by AIMS India. By clicking on the test you can attempt the examination. We are going to have weekly examinations and those will be displayed here. And then there is announcements. So daily message will be displayed here, like about worksheets and classes. If you click on that, you can see class wise links. If you click on your concerned class link, it will be displayed there, the worksheet related to that chapter. Click on the worksheet, then you can attempt that worksheet there itself. So here it is asked to match the two columns. So I am trying to match. So there itself you can match those by dragging lines from there to here. And here they ask you to give correct answers, select correct answers. We are selecting here. After completion, at the bottom you can see finish button. So we have to click on the finish button after completion. Then it asks to enter your name. Enter your name and click on send. So after clicking that, immediately it shows the result, how many marks you have secured there. Okay, in that way from the announcements you will be receiving daily about that day classes, worksheets and all. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel AIMS Today for latest updates.